Hello friends, welcome back to another video. As we all have expected in the month of September, GoPro announced new action camera. GoPro announces Hero 10 Black with a new chip, better performance and improved usability. The US price of the action camera is $499 and it's in stock, ready for shipping. Check availability and pre-order from Adorama, Amazon. The revolutionary new GP2 chip shoots 5.3K video with double the frame rate, 23 megapixels photos, enhanced low light performance, and bar-shattering HyperSmooth 4.0 video stabilization in all modes. To simplify things, Hero 10 is cloud connected, so the moment you charge it, your footage is automatically uploaded to the cloud. Here is the additional coverage at 42 West. Now that the GoPro Hero 10 camera officially announced, here are the key features. GoPro Hero 10 camera features. Video available in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K at 240 frames per second. 8x slow motion videos. HyperSmooth 4.0 with in-camera horizon leveling. Tuned for photo, video, and time-lapse and night-lapse modes. Live streaming in 1080p. Power tools, hindsight, live burst, scheduled capture, duration capture. Waterproof up to 33 feet. Voice control with 14 commands in 11 languages and 6 accents. 3 microphones with wind noise reduction. 1.4 front screen for preview or status. Large 2.27 rear touch screen with touch zoom. 100 megabits per second bitrate. Removable rechargeable 1720 mAh battery. Increased processing power gets more out of the 23.6 megapixel image sensor. The Hero 9 allowed users to pull 12 megapixel still images from the 4K 4:3 video. The Hero 10 instead grabs 19.6 megapixels stills from the 5.3K 4:3 video. The Hero 9 was limited to a 5K 16:9 video, where the Hero 10 records a 5.3K 16:9 video, resulting in an additional megapixel when grabbing stills. While the GoPro Hero 10 Black is available now for $499, $399 with an annual GoPro subscription, some new features are being added on November 16th, including max lens mod support, different resolutions, 24 frames per second at all resolutions, and GoPro's Super View lens at 5.3K at 30, 25 and 24 frames per second. For more information, visit GoPro. That's all for this video. See you soon.